This video will teach you how to use the tracking URL system. The reason we have tracking URLs in the system is so that we can create shortened URLs for the text messaging system in the follow-up campaigns. So all of your follow-up campaigns have shortened URLs in them so that you can have a longer URL for your clone sites and yet have a shorter link that people can click on and get to. We also wanted to make it possible for you to customize your URLs so that you can have additional ones for any other type of marketing that you're doing. Many of you know about a system called Bitly, bit.ly, which is a URL shortening system that you can purchase and is used by a lot of marketing people online. So we wanted to model after that system so that you'd have that information and more, but not have to pay extra for an extra service. One of the things we're trying to do is integrate all these different services into the automarketer so you have a one-stop shopping type of system. So let me show you how this system works. If I want to create a new tracking URL, I can click on Create Tracking URL, and now it'll allow me to create a custom URL. Let's call this Joe Crump website, and I'll just put my URL in here. And now I'm going to create a custom name for that URL. Let's call it website. If I wanted to, I could hit this auto-generate URL, and it'll create a unique URL, a shortened URL for me, but I want it to be one that I can remember. So I'm going to click on Save. Tells me that it was created, and it shows me now there's no clicks on this particular link. Now I can go to this URL by clicking Visit URL, and it'll take me to joecrump.com, or I can click on Visit URL, and it will take me there as well. I can also click on Copy, and it'll copy it into my copy-paste function, and I can go and paste it any place I like. Also, when I paste this into a URL and look at it, I can come back here. It usually takes 5 to 15 minutes, and the system updates, and it'll show that it was clicked upon. And it'll show both total clicks and unique clicks. Total clicks are the total number of times that it was clicked. Unique clicks are the total number of people that clicked. So we can see a particular link may have been clicked on 10 times by 5 different people. We can also see where the clicks came from by clicking on View Clicks. Let's go back to the tracking URL dashboard and take one that already has a link and has some clicks in it. If I go here to Edit URL, I can modify the name. I can see the clicks that were made. I can see that there were 5 total clicks from one unique user, and if I view the clicks, it'll pull up where these clicks came from. Also, in these tracking URLs, if you scroll down the page, you'll see your clone sites, and you'll see the people that have clicked on your clone sites over time. So this shows that 317 people clicked 458 times on my clone site at this particular web address. If I change the URL here, and I can edit it to something different if I want it to be different, and if I change it here, it's also going to change it in the follow-up campaigns that URL is being used in. So it'll keep track of that for you. If I wanted to create a new one instead, I could go over here and I could clone the URL instead. So this will make a duplicate of that, and then I could give it a new name if I chose to do that, and it'll give it new stats as well. My suggestion, rather than deleting one of your URLs, that you modify it if it's one of the clone sites. If it's a new one you want to create, then clone it and create new ones that way. Or of course, you can always create a brand new one. There's also a bulk function system here. So if I wanted to click multiple URLs, or I want to click all of them in a particular page, and then I can delete them if I choose, to make it easy to delete them in bulk if I choose to do that. Remember, if you delete these URLs completely, they will be removed from the follow-up campaigns, and it's possible that one of your follow-up campaigns may be attached to one of your leads, and it'll send out a text without a URL in it. So you don't want that to happen. So be careful about deleting your links. All right, I hope that explains it.